Y'all, so all of the pink and yellow Mother's Day wreaths sold out. So I decided to add a blue one. All right, so for this one, y'all, you get these two stems, you get a nice greenery bush, and you get the ribbon for the bow. This is a dark navy that I rolled up inside out, and you get the grapevine. This grapevine was one that was left over that's a little bit wonky, so we're using it for ourselves instead of selling it. So on this one, the first thing that we're going to want to do is unroll our ribbon and get it nice and straightened out. So y'all, we have the blue kits on Etsy right now. All right, so we're going to start with about a 12-inch tail. We're going to do about 6-inch loops. Y'all, and we're basically going to do loops until we run out of ribbon. That's it. So on this one, it'll be about 3 loops on each side. Today's the last day to get into our coaching group for 50% off. So you might want to check that out before you fall asleep. So this is the ugly spot on this grapevine. So I'm going to add my bow there. All right, so we've got our bow. Y'all, these are super easy to make. We're going to take our stem right here, and we're going to break out this center stem. For these kits, y'all, because these kits, we wanted to make, all right, so every time we make kits, someone always asks us to make a kit a little bit cheaper. So in these kits, I only gave you enough ribbon to make the bow. Normally I give you the whole roll of ribbon, but that would have added another $16-ish to the kits. And for these kits, I wanted to try to keep all of them under 40. All right, so we're gonna follow the shape of our grapevine. So we just followed the shape of the grapevine. All right, we're gonna go this one right underneath the bow. Can't seem to get in, and you're in right now. All right, let's add. Look how cute it is already. Now, I did want to go with a darker navy in here so that the ribbons would stand out. These ribbon tails aren't going to look like they're advertising. All right. Then we have this green to add a little bit of filler. All right, so what's nice about these is that you can push all the greens to the tip. If you don't have one of these, you need one. Y'all, this is called a mini bolt cutter, Home Depot. All right, look how much fuller the top half looks, adding just those few greens compared to the bottom half. What does the back look like? You should never see a stem out the back of your wreath. For the subscription box, you go to wreathsupplybox.com. What kind of glue gun is that? This is a industrial glue gun. They use it to glue like boxes together. We sell them on DecoExchange. Y'all, you can make a designer quality wreath that will sell for $115 to $130 in less than 15 minutes, right? I would probably hang this one like this.